Hi, I'm Shannon Henry, an applications engineer here at EMA Design Automation. With circuits increasing in complexity, it is very important to ensure the signal integrity throughout your design. Several factors need to be considered when designing with signal integrity in mind, including trace length, spacing, and impedance. First, you need to identify the critical traces. These are the connections that need to be completed with specific requirements, like differential pairs. If a device has signal routing requirements, they can be found in the manufacturer's documentation. Clocks and power switching lines are some examples of critical traces. They are defined as aggressor lines that create noise and can be detrimental to data traces. Once these traces are identified, signal integrity can be ensured with additional focus and constraints for routing. For some device signals to run properly, related signals may need to be matched in length. Once the length of a trace is determined, delay tuning can be added to traces to increase the length if needed. The space between signals must also be considered for these critical traces. If signals are too close together, it may produce unwanted coupling or crosstalk. Some signals may also need a specific impedance. Mismatched impedance in critical traces can cause ringing and additional noise throughout your design. When you are routing these critical traces, avoid crossing splits in the underlying planes. Crossing a gap in a plane can cause electromagnetic interference or noise. This can be detrimental to nearby circuitry and your entire design. Some companies will have SI experts or consultants. However, if this responsibility falls on you, try to utilize available SI analysis software and understand the general SI requirements and critical traces. Designing for signal integrity throughout your design will reduce crosstalk, noise, and ringing, preserving signal quality and ensuring your design intent. If you have any topics you would like to see, go ahead and add them in the comments below. In the meantime, be on the lookout for more Whiteboard Wednesday sessions with the PCB design experts here at EMA Design Automation.